Hello. What we are going to do today is we are going to look at statutory interpretation. Just as a general overview, what is statutory interpretation? Remember, a statute is an act of Parliament, so judges need to sometimes interpret the meaning of words. So statutory interpretation is when judges interpret the meaning of words in an act of Parliament. For example, Offences Against the Person Act 1861 created the offences of actual bodily harm and grievous bodily harm. So when they made that law in 1861, bodily harm meant harm to your leg, your arm, your stomach. But over time, judges have had to consider, does bodily include the mind? So Parliament, when they made that act in 1861, had no idea that people would suffer mental harm. If you harass somebody to the point that they have some form of depression, a medically recognised mental condition, then what judges have decided in recent years is that bodily includes the mind. So they have interpreted the meaning of the word bodily. Society has evolved and they have changed the meaning of the Offences Against the Person Act. What we are going to be looking at over the course of these videos, there'll be quite a few videos, I'll try and keep them as short as possible, but we are going to be looking at the 4 rules of interpretation. So the literal rule, the golden rule, the mischief rule, and the purposive approach. Now for each one, we will explain what it is, so an explanation of the rule, and then I will talk through 2 cases. So if you get an 8 mark, describe the literal rule, you go through the explanation and then you back it up with 2 cases. So tune in for the next videos.